Introduction of facade inspection services. Houseman offers world-class inspection services for all types of facades. Flown by qualified drone pilots, it offers a safe remote visual inspection in any environment, avoiding the need for workers to access dangerous and hazardous locations. Drones can collect visuals in under a minute. Performing an entire inspection is no longer a matter of days, but hours. By saving time up front, repairs can commence sooner, giving you the advantage of a shorter project schedule while minimizing the risk of LD penalties. Scaffolding, rope access or cranes are no longer required to perform visual inspections. Being small in size, drones are able to gather visuals, even in the most difficult and cluttered spaces. By using drones to inspect your equipment in either autonomous or non-autonomous mode, you'll be able to not only save time and cost, but also have a precise collection of data for analysis and future reference. The data collected will be analyzed through our state-of-the-art AI software, Facade Inspector, powered by H3 Zoom. The new Facade Inspector is a co-development between H3 Zoom and JTC under the consultancy of BCA for this project. The platform will map on your facade with cardinal directions, north, south, east and west, to ensure precision. Total number of defects are shown on the map exactly, with additional information of the defect if it is safe, requiring repair, or unsafe to aid in repair prioritization. All provided reports will include an image of defect, type of defect, and the suggested repair. Some common defects include corrosion, paint peels, water stains, and glass cracks. Houseman Drone Inspection is an innovative solution that is changing the way we inspect buildings and equipment. Being a global company with almost a century of knowledge and experience, Houseman is your reliable, long-term partner for step-changing technical solutions.